Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clear all the old projects in CapCut in one click. As you can see in the video, I have a lot of projects in the list, then if I delete it one by one, I need to spend more times. So if you want to clear or delete all these projects, then follow the video. Click on Category and change it to Show List. And here, you will see the word All, then just click on it. And if you want to clear all the projects, then select All. And if you want to keep some projects, then just uncheck that project. Then click on Recycle Bin to delete the projects that you have selected. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.